Have you ever picked up a scrambled Rubik's Cube and felt totally lost? It looks impossibly complex, but what if I told you that you could solve it, right now, with a simple, step-by-step method? This is the beginner's method, a series of easy-to-learn moves that will turn that colorful mess into a perfect cube. By the end of this video, you'll have the power to solve it yourself. Let's get started. First, let's understand what we're working with. A cube has three types of pieces. Centers, which have one color and don't move from their position. Edges, with two colors. And corners, with three colors. We also need a common language for the moves. We'll refer to each face by a letter. R for right, L for left, U for up, D for down, F for front, and B for back. A letter by itself means a clockwise turn of that face. A letter followed by a prime symbol, like R prime, means a counterclockwise turn. That's all the notation you'll need. Our first major goal is to create the white cross. But it's not just any cross, it needs to be the correct cross. This means that after you form the white cross on top, the side color of each white edge piece must also match the color of the center piece on that side. The easiest way to do this is to find a white edge piece, move it to the bottom, yellow, face, align its side color with the matching center, and then rotate that face 180 degrees to bring it up to the white face. Do this for all four white edges. Great, now with the cross solved, let's complete the entire first layer by inserting the white corners. Find a corner piece with white on it in the bottom layer. Look at its other two colors and position it on the bottom layer, directly underneath where it's supposed to go. For example, the white, blue, and red corner goes between the blue and red centers. Then, just repeat this simple sequence. R prime, D prime, R, D. You might have to do it a few times, but it will eventually pop the corner into place, correctly oriented. Repeat this for all four corners. With the first layer solid, it's time to solve the middle layer. Flip the cube over so the white face is on the bottom. We're now looking for edge pieces in the top, yellow, layer that do not have any yellow on them. Find one, and match its front-facing color with the corresponding center by rotating the top layer. Now, depending on whether it needs to go to the right or the left slot in the middle layer, you'll use one of two mirror image algorithms. It looks long, but with a little practice, it's easy. Do this for all four middle layer edges. This is the final stretch. The last layer. It's just three algorithms. First, make a yellow cross on top using F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. You might see a dot, an L shape, or a line. Just keep doing the algorithm until you have a cross. Next, get all the yellow facing up with R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Finally, you'll need one long algorithm to position the corners correctly, and one more to position the edges. The specific moves are on screen. Take your time, and with that final turn, you've done it. Congratulations!